Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can assign a custom label to emails you receive from your contacts on Proton Mail. For example, if you'd like to classify them or label them and assign special or custom labels to them. Let me show you how to do it and guide you through it. So head over to your inbox on Proton Mail and select inbox here in the left panel. Let me go with an example email like this. So simply pick the email from your list here in your inbox. And after that, you'll see these tabs here at the top above the given email. So click into that one here, label as, and after that you may, for example, assign the given email or message to an already created label. If you haven't done it yet, guys, and haven't created a label yet, do that by clicking on that button here, create label. After that, give it a name like, I don't know, important or urgent emails or something like that. Assign also a color below, like, I don't know, green, and confirm by clicking on save here. That is going to create that label. Click on apply here to confirm that labeling, and there you go. As you can see now, the given email has been labeled or assigned to that label here. So if you click on that label now, you will be given access to that label here, so that you will see all emails that are listed under that label here. And that's it. You may switch between these, or for example delete these emails here or move them to archive, to trash. And yeah, that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.